Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So here is a very important information for all those aspirants who have filled their forms for IP University, and if some of you have not filled your forms for counseling of law courses in IP University, and if you are under some reserved categories, then this video is very useful for all of you. Watch it till last and don't skip it in between. And if you have not subscribed to Kingdom of Learning yet, do it fast. So now let us see this circular. That here you can see I have uploaded the circular here, that schedule for online registration for counseling and submission of counseling participation has started, and this schedule has begun from 6th of October. But you need not worry, still there is time, means it will be up to 12th of October 11:50 p.m. So you have still so much time. If you have not filled the forms, you can do it now also. And now those who are worried that if they have not filled their admission forms earlier, what to do, for them I have already made a video, and now the same thing has been mentioned by the university also, that if you have not filled your form, you can pay 2200 and you can fill that counseling form now also without getting worried or anything. So means if you have already paid, then you have to pay 1200, otherwise you have to pay 1000, otherwise you have to pay 2200. So now these are very important instructions for reservation, means for those candidates who want to get any sort of reservation. The most important thing is that if you want to get admission under some reserved category, then it is mandatory that certificate, that caste certificate should be in your name only. It should not be under the name of your mother or father. It will not be accepted. So this is very important. Another is that if you are claiming your admission for inside Delhi category, then your school or college should be in Delhi in itself. And if you are getting any reservation for EWS category, then you should know this thing, that you will be given admission only in university, school of studies and government affiliated colleges only. So this thing also you should know. It is very important, means the university will not allow admission for EWS category students in private colleges. It will be only allowed in government colleges. So these are some very important details you should know, otherwise you may face problem. So now we have to see that the reservation of Delhi OBC is applicable only in university, school of studies and government affiliated colleges also, means for OBC also, for it is for government colleges only. And then you can see that categories to candidates who fail to upload documents as per notified schedule will forfeit their right for the category claim. Means if you will not be able to produce your correct certificates, then you will not be able to get that benefit. So these are very important instructions. Then there are some other general instructions also. That first one is that you should read the eligibility criteria. I think you should watch my previous video related to this. And then it is the responsibility of the candidate to ensure that they fulfill the minimum eligibility criteria. I think all of you know that is 50% marks in 12th and English compulsory, right? So now here you can see the online registration process for registered candidates, means those who have already registered with the university. Then you have to fill your application sequence number, name, DOB, gender, and you will be authenticated with the data provided by the university. And after successful authentication, you need to choose a passcode to complete your remaining steps for registration. And after successful registration, you will use that application sequence number and choose that password for subsequent logins. Now for fresh candidates, means those who have not already filled that admission form, they have also to enter their name, father's name, mother's name, DOB, gender, and you also have to choose a password for subsequent logins. You have to remember that password, and after successful school registration and application number will be generated by the system and it will be provided to the candidates. So these are all very important steps which you have to follow, and you have to share this video with others also, because many children are confused about so many things. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, do it fast, and yes, don't forget to like the video also.